Hey, what's up? To all you wrestling fans of the Godfather Soldiers, Little Swimming, and this is a really good pay per view tonight. Fastlane, WWE Fastlane 2023, and the only thing I'm really pissed off about is Jade Cargill coming to WWE. Give me a break. Give me a fucking break. Who wants to see her ass tonight in Indianapolis, where I live? This is gonna kill WWE. This is gonna kill women's wrestling. Jade Cargill, you gotta be kidding me. This is unbelievable with the AEW women's title. That's unbelievable. All of a sudden, she's trying. Was she a copycat of Ric Flair when Ric Flair came to the WWE in 1991 with the World Heavyweight title? This is unbelievable. This is a trap. This is a complete joke, and this will kill WWE. But at least Fastlane was good pay per view tonight in where I live right now in Indianapolis, Indiana. And let's see what we got here for tonight. Yeah, Fastlane took place at the here in Indianapolis, Gamebridge Fieldhouse in Indianapolis, Indiana. It is the first pay-per-view live stream event held in Indianapolis since Clash of Champions in September 2016, which was the same arena was known as the Bankers Life Fieldhouse. It was renamed in 2001 because yeah, I don't know why they named it Green Gamebridge Fieldhouse instead no longer a Bank Life Fieldhouse because I think it's because the Indian name because of Native Americans, something like that. And thank God Cody Rhodes and Jey Uso defeated Judgment Day for becoming the new WWE Tag Team undisputed WWE Tag Team Champions. We got new Tag Team Champions, and that's Cody Rhodes and Jey Uso. And shame on Jimmy for turning on his own brother. Judgment Day got exactly what they deserve. And man, the 6-man tag team match was really good tonight. Really good tonight. Carlito Carlito and Latino World Order. And the real thing is yeah let's see. Yeah, the 6-man tag team match that was good. And let's see. Wonder what's gonna happen now. What's gonna happen now? Next with Latino Carlito and Latino World Order, Rey Mysterio and Santos Escobar, with Selena Vega and it was Bobby Lashley and the Street Profits. I wonder what's gonna happen now. Who knows? And next one, Io Sky versus Charlotte Flair versus Oscar by pinfall, triple match for the WWE Women's Tag Team title. Io Sky retained. And how hard headed is Bayley? How fucking hard headed is she? She told Io Sky told Bayley not to interfere in her match. She told her she doesn't need any help backstage. She's ignorant and stupid. But at least she retained her women's title. Let me tell you what else was a good match. Pretty good match. Um, John Cena and LA Knight versus the Bloodline. and Bloodline with Jimmy Uso and Soul Silver with Paul Heyman by pinfall tag team match. This is a pretty good match. Pretty good match. This is pretty good. And glad the good thing there's no more that Vince McMahon is out. But I'm not happy with this in Denver deal, at least UFC. That'll mess up WWE. I know why Triple H hired this bitch, this Jade the Man Cargill. I know why bring her here. This will destroy women's wrestling. I don't know why bring her there. The tag team match is pretty good, at least tonight. John Cena and LA Knight against the Bloodline. I bet you Jay Uso is probably laughing at his twin brother right now. I'll say the Usos. I'll say Jimmy and Solo got what they deserved tonight after stabbing their own brother in the Jay in the back, not too long ago. In the main event, last man standing match for the WWE World Heavyweight Championship: Seth freaking Rollins versus Shinsuke Nakamura. Yeah, I know what, and this is really good. The mist. I saw. Bam! Shinsuke must spray green red mist in the face of Seth Rollins, and bam. But Seth Rollins retains the WWE title. But why? But I almost thought all this time that looks like he didn't Damian Priest didn't cash in his Money in the Bank contract, didn't he, on Seth Rollins, due to his loss against Cody Rhodes and Jey Uso. I'll say the Judgment Day got what he deserved, and the Bloodline got what he deserved. This is a pretty good match, and Bobby Lashley and Street Profits kind of had a little bit got coming. This is pretty good show tonight. And what about tonight on AEW Collision? FTR. Yeah, FTR losing the AEW World Tag Team titles to Ricky Starks and Big Bill. Wow. Tonight on AEW Collision. That's a shame. They cheated to win. Can you believe it? They cheat to win. But I'll say this is pretty. WWE Fastlane 2023 was a pretty good show tonight. Hope someone will come up tonight. And today's the 10th anniversary. Today's the 10th anniversary of when Stephanie McMahon fired the Big Show, and when the Big Show knocked out Triple H. This 10 years ago tonight on Monday Night Raw, after Battleground 2013, when date was Monday, October 7th, 2013. 10 years, man. So that's all I do for all of you. My little review for all of you tonight. Hope Fastlane, my rants about WWE Fastlane and AEW Collision. Yeah, Fastlane, and then Jake the Man Cargill, the AEW Collision, FTR becoming. FTR losing the AEW World Tag Team titles, and everything. So subscribe to me, hit like, make comment video, subscribe to me, Godfather Soldier Fleming. And next pay-per-view, November the 4th, is Crown Jewel. Next pay-per-view is Crown Jewel. I saw a preview of that. It takes place Saturday, November 4th, 2003. And in Saudi Arabia. And it I got a gut feeling it's gonna come on. Well, who knows? It probably might come on at 6 o'clock in the morning, or probably in daytime. Who knows when it will air? So that's all I would say. I'm the Godfather Soldiers. Let me hit like my video. I hope all of you have a good night. Subscribe to me. Peace. I'm out of here.